Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am your host Vishakha Thakur and you're watching the Coin Monitor. The virtual digital assets have sustained gains during the day so far on hopes of favorable outcome from financial markets regulator. SEC held discussion with a BlackRock and Nasdaq official for second time this week to iron out discrepancies of the proposed spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds. The key concern is settlement of contract in cash and trust in kind. US stock markets were set for a slightly weak open Wednesday as investors gauged whether the recent stock rally inspired by the Federal Reserve can continue. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures were down less than 0.1%. S&P 500 futures slipped 0.2% and Nasdaq Composite futures were down 0.3%. The IC 15 index barometer of top 15 tokens surged 1.8% to 54,977. Well, Bitcoin's price made an effort to climb above $44,000 mark during the day, but faced resistance once again. The sudden drop in US equities helped Bitcoin reverse previous day losses. The largest cryptocurrency was recently trading at $43,658, up by 1.9%. BTC's market cap has increased to $855 billion, while its dominance over the alts is currently 52.20%, an increase of 0.14% over the day. The cumulative market capitalization of all crypto assets surged 1.61% to $1.64 trillion. Well, some traders have suggested that current Bitcoin market matrix flashed signs of cooling down after a month low or long rally. We are likely to encounter a period of low volatility ahead of the holidays. Most cryptocurrencies recorded gains on Thursday against the backdrop of somewhat somber market volatility. ETH was trading at $2,215, up by 0.34% in a similar time span. Binance BNB was trading 5% higher at $269. Next on the list, Solana Sol rose 11.2% to trade at $85.47. Solana has flipped XRP as the fifth largest crypto by market cap thanks to meme coin mania. While Cardano's ADA token gained 1.5% to trade at $0.60. And if we talk about Avalanche's AVAX token, it rose by 8.5% to $45.71, and Polygon Matic added 0.14% to trade at $0.78. So Polkadot rose 6.5% before trading at $7.46. And if we talk about Ripple's XRP token, it added 0.42% to trade at $0.61. While DogeCoin was 1.5% higher at $0.09 and Shiba Inu added 0.67%. So that's all in the Coin Monitor. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. With 3.0 TV, stay connected with the world of blockchain. Stay up to date with infinite world of NFTs. Come explore and evolve with 3.0 TV in the Metaverse.
So many coins, so much volatility. 3.0 TV delivers the news that matters.
The International Organization of Securities Commission has released 9 policy recommendations to improve regulatory oversight in DeFi space. These recommendations emphasize the importance of consistency and adherence to laws, with Rule 7 being the core recommendation. The guidance outlines various tactics for DeFi and other market participants to circumvent regulatory obligations, advising regulators to scrutinize their existing powers and resources. IOSCO also aims to foster uniformity in the regulatory approach towards crypto asset and traditional securities markets, consistently applying the same activity, risk, and regulation across these domains. The report refutes the common misconception that decentralization renders entities immune to regulation. stating that identify responsible persons. The recommendations will shift iOS CEO's focus towards proactive monitoring, regulatory capacity building, and technical assistance to its member authorities. iOS CEO currently has over 130 regulatory authorities overseeing 95% of the world's financial markets. Coinbase, a leading US-based cryptocurrency exchange, is confident that the crypto industry will unlock economic freedom for billions of users. With around 425 million global investors owning crypto assets and over 80% of G20 countries moving towards digital assets, Coinbase is working to build the necessary infra to onboard billions of new users. With Bitcoin at the tipping point where no government can stop its mainstream adoption, experts believe the digital asset is on the cusp of historical wealth transfer. Well, Coinbase has been operating since 2012 and has obtained regulatory approval in dozens of global jurisdictions. With an average quarterly traded volume of about $76 billion and over $114 billion in assets safeguarded, Coinbase has developed the necessary infra to enable the seamless adoption of blockchain technology and crypto assets. One of Coinbase's most prominent products is the Ethereum-based Layer 2 scaling solution dubbed Base, which has grown to over $418 million in TVL and more than $315 million in stablecoins market cap. The Chinese government plans to draft a strategic document for Web 3.0 development, aiming to promote the growth of NFTs and dApps. The country will focus on advancements in cross-chain capabilities, privacy computing, and smart contracts, as well as promoting the development of DID technologies. The Ministry of Industry and Information Technology has outlined a comprehensive roadmap to facilitate the progression of Web 3.0 within China. The primary objective is to enhance the top-level design of Web 3.0, aligning it with the national conditions of China. The strategy document will clarify the development path, technical focus, and application model, with special attention given to issues related to inheritance and innovation, development and security, government and market, and supply and demand relationships.